I knew this day would come. I knew this day would come. If you guys remember a few months back, I did a review and demo on the Lash Liner system. It's a magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit, and I absolutely loved the results and was super impressed with it, with one downfall. One downfall for me, because I am cheap, and it was the price tag. I paid $90 to get this kit over to Canada, $90 for one eyelash and one liner. Granted, I used it every single day for a month, 30 days, but still $90 for lashes per month was just, it was too much for me. So I did stop buying them, even though I really did love how it looked. I couldn't justify the price tag, but I knew with a product like that, that was so good and worked so well, that there would be a dupe for it in no time. And what I got? Ardell. Ardell has come up with a magnetic liner and lash kit, and I am so happy because I love Ardell lashes. I also love wispies, and this is the Ardell magnetic lash kit with the wispy lashes that I glue on every single day. So I have nothing on my eyes right now, and I'm gonna demo it for you, and we are going to pray to the lash gods that this is as good as Lash Liner so that we can all save $90 and pay like 15 or whatever this is. It's super cheap. Before we get into it, let's do our spiel. Welcome to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Gabby, and this is Glam Girl Gabby, your place to come hang out and learn about all things glam. That's hair, makeup, and fashion. If you haven't done so already, please click on the subscribe button, ding the bell notification button so you know when these videos are posted. I need you guys to subscribe because I need to start making some money, because I'm gonna go poor very soon with this channel. And honestly, I really wanna buy that bubble tint on Wish, because who doesn't need that? I need the bubble tint on Wish. Subscribe. Let's get into this demo right now. Okay, so according to the box, what it says here is to apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line, and then place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet, and press down to secure. So this is different than Lash Liner system, guys, because Lash Liner, we actually had to do it. We had to wait till the liner dried, and then we had to press it on. So we wanna press this on when the liner is still semi-wet. Okay, so this little kit is cool because it comes with your pot of gel liner. If you remember, Lash Liner was a liquid liner, so this is a little bit different. It also comes with your little brush, which is super handy, and I'm actually gonna use it because I wanna see if it's actually a good brush. And it comes with your wispies, which are the magnetic lashes. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna measure our eyes to make sure that the magnetic lashes aren't too big for us. Okay, so the way that I like to do this is I always place the lashes on the inner corner of the eye, and I go out and I see where it's ending and how far out it is. Okay, just for measuring my eye real quick, I think these are gonna be okay. I don't think I'm actually gonna have to cut them. If you do have to cut them, you need to find out where the magnets are and make sure that that last magnet is on the end of the lash. This kind of sucks with magnetic lashes because you can't just cut it wherever you want, because you need the end to have a magnet, if that makes sense. So if you need to trim it a little bit, you need to trim before the second magnet and just work with it that way. All right, so let's go ahead and start with coat number 1. Put coat number 1 on both eyes. Coat number 1, so far so good. It's really nice. I mean, I'm not loving the brush because it's this itty bitty little brush, and it's not the easiest brush to work with when you're used to working with really great high-end brushes, but it still gets the job done. And I don't want to use another brush because I want to make sure that you guys can do this with just this kit alone. So we're gonna make this happen. I'm gonna make this happen for you. Coat number 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop on some mascara, and then we're gonna go for it. You wanna know something so funny? I have so much Botox in my forehead that I can't really lift my eyebrows. So it's really hard to put mascara on. Ah! Oh, it's totally worth it though. Okay, here we go. God, please be as good. Please be as good. Please be as good and cheaper. Okay. So it's not going as easily as I expected. The tip on this really wants to lift up. Oh, that's annoying. So that just keeps lifting up. So let me just put on more of the eyeliner and then we'll try again. So while that's really tacky, let's try that now. Okay, so it worked that time. So I'm gonna do another layer on this eye and then push it in when it's tacky. Oh, this is frustrating. Okay, so it's on now. Okay, some thoughts for you. I had a real issue with this side sticking and I'm not sure why, and I actually lifted up again even after I did like 3 coats. I'm finding that the actual liner is, even though it's fluid, and in the initial impression I thought it was kind of nice, it doesn't really leave the nicest result. Like, I just find it a little bit chunky and very thick. I think if I were to redo this, I would do it how I did with Lash Liner and apply a first coat of the liner that I loved, apply this on top, put on my mascara quick, and then pop it on. I gotta say that I really do like Lash Liner better. I like the liner better, even though it's goopy, it's very effective. And I like the lashes better in Lash Liner as well. Like, I like the way that they look a lot better. They're just more flared and they're sexier. Oh, I wanted to like this so badly. I really wanted this to be a positive review. I really, really wanted to like this product because it's just so much more affordable for everyone. But, you know, I gotta say this is a pass for me. In terms of quality and aesthetic, Lash Liner 1. Lash Liner 1. I love Ardell lashes, not hating on them, but Lash Liner has dominated this one. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you want your daily dose of Glam Girl Gabby hair, makeup, fashion. I love ya. See you next week. Bye.